Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset Canon i-SENSYS LBP673Cdw to the factory settings, and by the way this method also works for other Canon i-SENSYS printers. Let's get into it. Use these navigation arrows to select menu on the home screen. If you are on a different screen, just press the home button once. So select menu and switch to management settings. And now just press the up arrow once to find initialize all data/settings and press OK. The data and files stored in the device will be deleted and all settings will be initialized, or in other words restored to the factory defaults. On the next screen you need to press yes to reset your printer, and you will have to set it up from scratch. Enter date and time, enter your country, language, and so on. So I won't reset my printer because if you need it, just do it. Press yes, your printer will be reset. Let me also show you what to do if you just have connection issues. You don't have to reset all the settings of this printer. If you just let me answer no in this window, go back to home screen. So if you need just fix connection issues, go to menu, preferences, select network and press up arrow once to initialize network settings only. Press OK over here, initialize yes. Now changes effective after main power is off and on. So you need to press and hold the power button. Now the printer will be turned off in about 5 seconds or even less. That's it. Now just press the power button once and wait until the printer stops making any sounds. Then you will need to configure your Wi-Fi settings and Wi-Fi direct from scratch, and in 99% of case it solves any issues with Wi-Fi connection of this printer. And that's it. I hope that helps. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.